Hi, my friend. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
Jamal, after many days you are here at my home. Is there everything okay?
Yeah, Tofik, everything is okay. I just want to know about the results. When the results of matric will be announced?
Actually, Jamal, I'm not confirmed about that, but Muzammil told me that results will be announced in the last of July.
Oh, really? I'm so excited.
By the way, tell me something about your exams.
Alhamdulillah, great. I think I will get even great. What about you?
Buddy, actually, I didn't do my English paper completely. Paper was too long and time was short, so I had two questions left to do.
Oh my god. Okay, don't worry, buddy. Allah will do better.
I'm not worried. I have no any tension of it because Allah always do better.
Yeah, that's right. Tofik, where are you going for further studies?
Jamal, maybe I will go Lahore in JC College or maybe Karachi. Muzammil and Mudassir are going with me. We will study together in same college.
Oh, that's great. But where will you live?
We will take a room on rent. Tell me about you. Where are you going?
I'm not confirmed, buddy. Still, I'm thinking that where should I go?
Jamal, I have an idea. Why don't you join us? Muzammil, Mudassir, you and me, we all are going in same college. What do you say?
Yeah, that's a good idea, but my family is suffering from financial problem. I don't think so. My father can afford this.
Don't worry about that. We all are with you. We are like a family. We will take admission in government college. We just need to use money for living purpose. We will study together and enjoy also. On weekends, we will go to visit somewhere. I really want you will go with us.
Okay, Tofik, let me confirm from my parents. I will tell you tomorrow. It's too late, buddy. I have to go now. My father is waiting. We are going to village today.
Okay, don't forget to tell me that you are going with us or not.
Yeah, I will tell you. Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care.